Hello everyone, and welcome back to the last video on the RSI algorithm from the Quantopian course. So we pretty much accomplished everything that we need now, and this video will just be about cleaning up some messy code that we have in here, because I know that not everything here is optimized, and there are a few repeat pieces of code. So yeah, today we're going to be working on fixing that. So firstly, we have only two functions here, and I'm thinking about creating functions to buy and sell, because that could cut down on a few lines of code and just make it a little more readable. So we're just going to say define, we're going to do buying first, and we're just going to do order target percent. We'll have to put context into here. Order target percent context dot stock and 1, and we also have to do order target percent context dot safety, and we're selling that, so we're putting that at 0, and that should be enough. And then we're going to do sell and put context there, and I'm just going to copy and paste context dot stock, just switch them up, and that should be good enough. And we'll just run with buy right here, buy, and selling. Alright, so now that that's out of the way, we also have a repeat in context.portfolio.positions, and that's very simple. So what I'm going to do is just bot is equal to context.stock in context.portfolio.positions. So we can just say and not bot here, and we can say and bot. Should say, and I'm just gonna put parentheses here just so it's a little more readable. RSI is greater than 60 and bot or shortlist, and I'm gonna take away this line because they're in the same loop. We can say also or this, and we will essentially accomplish the same thing, take away 3 lines. And we can also say length of that, say, or take away another 3 lines. That should be enough consolidation for our algorithm so far. And so let me just run this right here, see if we have any errors. Oh, it's asking for context. We'll have to change this. So buy takes in a stock and sell takes in a stock, and we'll just say stock safety, and we'll put in and then once we put in this, we'll just say context dot stock and context dot safety, and then in cell we'll just do context dot stock and context dot safety. So hopefully that works. Now I think we can do our final back test, and we will be done with our RSI algorithm, because this in no means is a long-term algorithm, and this is just something that I thought about, and I was thinking that, you know, maybe it'll be a little helpful. But yeah, it's looking like pretty similar returns. Yeah, it's looking like it'll hit 250 pretty easily. Oh yeah, I mean 300%. So there you have it. A pretty successful short-term algorithm created in only about 46 lines of code. Could be condensed a little more, but just a little more readable. So thanks for watching, and in the next segment we will be creating a algorithm based on the MACD reversal strategy.